Yeah, hello everyone. So this is Subject Patel, and again I am back with day 7 Informatica Cloud Data Quality tutorial. So let's try to understand what the agenda we have for today, and then accordingly we can go for practicals and all. So then what we want to again call this function that is dictionary, and that function, remember, it will be available in the standardized. If you want to call dictionary again as your output, so you can utilize replace content with dictionary, and here you can choose the dictionary. So here we got our dictionary valid column. So valid column means, let's first take this valid column means it will be validated against this column. Let's take country and see what is happening or not. Here we have the sample records. So let's press OK. If nothing is matching, then here we can pass string value. String value means invalid country. Invalid country. Okay, so let's save this rule as pick. Now it is saved. Last time you noted. If you want to test this rule aspect, you can come to test here. And let's pass some data. So suppose we had passed USA 1, I think, right? Let's try to run the test of this. Let me see some data from here, from data profiling. So we had, suppose Albania as a kind of, Albania was valid value we had, right? So if we are suppose passing in Albania, then what we are getting here, we are not getting option to validate or test. Yeah, if we are passing Albania or any data, so here we can see this run test is disabled. It is not working. I don't know. Let's save it. And ideally, this should be enabled so that we can do the testing of this data. Maybe we have some kind of we have some kind of conflict of the roles, so that this is not available. So what we will do, we will go to this rule aspect again. Any secure agent is running or not, let's try to verify once. Go to home. From home, in data quality, we can see all the things at one place. So why this server VM got a stop? Should work, right? Let's try to verify again. Maybe due to this, it is not up and running, so unable to test it. So let's try to basically debug why we are not getting option for the testing. Because here we can see our all runtime environments are down. Okay. So here if we are passing some test value, our rule is ready, but here if we are passing a test value, this is disabled. Maybe our runtime environment is down. So let's try to understand, is it due to runtime environment or due to the rule issue? So none of our runtime environment is running properly. So let's try to see what is the reason why it is down. I got a stuff. We need to go to the VM and see what is the region. Let's go to the virtual machine. I think this got restarted. So we need to run this machine. What within this only our server is there to be used. Take on a see what happened. So this secure agent, we face the issue due to this heavy weight. Yeah, so here if we can see the test Albania, USA and USA one. So for Albania it's a valid value because here the Albania is present and it's a valid. And for these two it's invalid. This is we have already marked as invalid here. USA one is invalid. And this USA is not present in our list, so it's coming invalid country as per our rule logic. Okay. So here we can see we have marked this as an invalid country if it will not match. Okay. So by this way, we can create the different dictionary from the data profiling data sets also, or we